So hello guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, October the 5th, 2021. I've already done the 3-star Sudoku. I do 5 Sudokus. I will solve 5 Sudokus out of 9 because today we have 9 extra Sudokus. 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars. The 4 stars, we have a tectonic with 4 stars and tectonic with 1 star. A killer Sudoku, binary puzzle number 1 and binary puzzle number 2. And the second Sudoku I will solve will be a 4-star Sudoku number 3492. 3492. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. Which number can I pick? How about the 5 in this row? 5 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next to only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And I cannot continue with the 5. How about the number 4 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 2 boxes. So in the 9 could be here, could be there in this big square. We see there another 9, so no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are 1, 2. The 3 is missing, 4. The 5 is missing. 3, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. And look, we have a 3 and an 8 in this row. So no 3 and an 8 in this box. And 3 and an 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and an 8. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 5. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, only 3 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, we see there 5. So no 5s in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 5. Alright. Then 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9. Okay, I cannot continue with that 9. How about the 8 in this row? 8 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, it could be there. So we have an 8 in this column, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 8. How about the number 4. Let me see which number I can pick. How about 7. Yeah. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 707 in these 2 boxes. There's 707 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. So we have a 7 in one of those two boxes in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first column. 1, 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5. And the 6 is missing, 3 and the 6. Let me mark those two boxes, 3 and the 6. Alright. Then. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. And I've eliminated the 7. So the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. The 2 is missing. Okay. 2 numbers left in the second column for the numbers 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 4, 5. And the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these two boxes. There, 1, no 1 in those two boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in one of those two boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place for the 1 should be there. Alright. How about these 3 missing numbers in this row? The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 2, 3, 4. Cannot fill this yet. The other pair, the other 2 numbers in this big square should be the numbers 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing and the 9 is missing. Let me put the 6 and the 9 here. 6 and the 9. That means we have a double 6 here in this row. So this box cannot be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. And this box should be a 3. 1 box left in this row for the number 1. The 2 is missing. Alright, so we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2, 2, okay. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, the 3 is missing and the 4 is missing in this big square. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. Alright. So 6, 6, okay. And 9, 9. 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. So we have a 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 2 in this third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in the first row for the number 1. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. Alright. 2 numbers left in the second row for the numbers. So 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6. We see a 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 there. So this box is going to be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. This box should be a 9. Okay. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8. And a 9 is missing. 4 and a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 9 in this column. 9 in the column next. So on the last column. The only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see there 9. No 9 there. There 9. No 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 9. Alright. Alright. 2, 3, 4. I've marked those 2, 3, 4. Those missing numbers are the 2, 3, 4. We have a 2 and a 3 in this column. So no 2 and a 3 in this box. The 2 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 4. 2 numbers left in the last column for the numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the 8 is missing. 1 and 8. 1 and 8. We have a 8 there, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. I've marked earlier those 2 boxes with the 8, now we have an 8 there, so this box cannot be an 8 anymore, that box should be an 8. 2 boxes left in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 6 and the 7 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 6 and the 7. Then. Okay, we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So the last row, the only place for the 4 should be there. Then. 6, 3, 2. Okay, 3 missing numbers in this big square. The 1 is missing. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 and a 7. Alright. I need a 3 there. Okay. Now we have a 3 here, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. This box should be a 6. Okay, now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. And this box should be a 7. Now we have a 7 here, so this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. And this box should be a 2. Alright. 2 in this row. Oh, wait. 2 numbers left in this row. 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6. And the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. So 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5. And the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. Finish in 30 minutes. And I've told you, although it's there are 24 printed digits, I'm faster than the previous Sudoku with 25 printed digits. So I'm well pleased with the time. So is this really a 4 stars? No, because for a 4 stars Sudoku, I need 30 minutes or more. And I've solved this in 30 minutes. So is this really a 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. 2 stars? No. It's rather a 1 star. Because I'm faster than 15 minutes. Alright. So I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file. So we can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later. Later with the other puzzles. I have a killer Sudoku and I have a tectonic left. So see you later. Bye-bye for now.